information on where certain species are along the west coast, where you find them. So the thing is, this app is going to help us map where the species are. That's our hope. So we've developed the app. It's called the Cetacean Tracker app. And it helps the fishermen report where the dolphin is, where the whale is. But it will also help to report on where bycatch is occurring, if it does occur. If it doesn't occur, no problem. But if it does occur, then we will get that information. Right now, there is a gap in the data. We do not know exactly where the bycatch is happening, and we do not know where these species are. So there's a list of whale and dolphin species, which is on the drop-down menu of the app. So the fishermen can choose. The app is very simple. The fishermen can choose. They can take a photograph, they can take a video, they can give the GPS location, and they will give certain very easy details like the number of animals they have seen, what the animal is doing, etc. What we do is we create a map, and then those maps can be used for further collaboration. First of all, it's data. The data is lacking, so we'll be able to create the map. Once we create the map, we can work with the fishermen so that, in case there is bycatch happening, the bycatch doesn't happen. Or we can work with the policy makers, whoever is making the policy, so that there is a collaboration between us, between the fishermen and between policy makers. So that policy is designed to protect the whales and dolphins, but also the fishers. And fishers have the knowledge, they know where they find these species. For us sitting on land, it's really difficult to do that. So this is what the workshop is for.
WWF of India, the World Wild Fund Nature. Yeah, is India's government, organization. ते आमच्या फिशिंग बोटाच्या ओनराच्या ऑफिसान येयले आनी तेणी मोबायल एक बोटीक एक मोबायल सेट दिले. हे WWF ऑफ इंडिया तांकां डिटेल जाय. द डिटेल कसली लायक खूंय डॉल्फिन आहा, खूंय वेल आहा आनी खंयच्या स्पॉटाचेर आहा, कितले आसता वो कशें आसता, हे सगळी डिटेल ताका दिवपाक जाय आमी एक मोबायलान. बिकॉज ह्या मोबायलाचेर ते एप क्रिएट केलो आहा. ते एपाचेर सगळो फोटो आनी कितले आहाय, कशें आहाय, खंयचे कडेन आहा, खंयच्या टायमाचेर मेवता, हे सगळी डिटेल ताका आमी धाडपा जाय पोर्टल.